Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and today I'd like to discuss with you moisturizing and protein treatments and when to do them. I actually got the request to do this video in the comment section of another video. I thought it was a really great topic, so that's what we're talking about today. It should be a fairly quick video, so let's get started. If I'm looking down, it's because I have everything written down. I didn't want to miss anything with you guys. So yeah. Protein, or reconstructor as it's very often categorized, it is to add proteins back to your hair when your hair has been damaged. Our hair is made up of protein, and adding these such proteins back to the hair, it is to add strength and repair any damage that has been done. So when should you use it? So as I previously said, it is normally used when you have damaged your hair. Something such as relaxers, when you have dyed or bleached your hair, and also heat damage. Be careful when using these protein reconstructors, because if you're using it and you do not need it, you are at a higher risk of damaging your hair, leading to breakage. All proteins are not created equal, so you definitely have to find out and pay attention to what your hair likes and dislikes. You definitely have your plant-based proteins and then your animal-based proteins. So pay attention to what your hair likes. Protein treatments should be done every 6 to 8 weeks. Why 6 to 8 weeks? Because that's normally when you're going back in to have your retouch for your relaxer or your hair and bleach treatments. And if you're doing a salon treatment, you are probably getting a lot of heat on your hair. So that is the time to get a protein or a reconstructing treatment every 6 to 8 weeks. Again, be careful when using these protein treatments because it can lead to unnecessary breakage. Some of the most popular ones is the Aphogee 2-step treatment. I mean, who hasn't used this treatment? It is popular for a reason. It works. And then there's also the one that I used to use all the time when I was self-relaxing, and that is the, sorry guys, my book is falling. That is the ORS Replenishing pack. I don't know what they put in this, but that stuff is magical. Moisturizing is meant to replenish and hydrate your hair. Moisturizing can be done in many different ways. I do apologize. The sun is like coming in, coming out, coming this way, not coming that way. Why don't I sit over here so you guys can actually see me? And one way of moisturizing your hair is through your moisturizing deep conditioner or mask. This is done in between your 6-week protein treatment regimen. I hope I said that right. When should you do those? That is done each and every time you put shampoo on your hair. So during your wash day, if your wash day is once a week or every other week, if shampoo touches your hair, a deep conditioner or mask should touch your hair as well. When you're stripping and cleansing your hair, you have to rehydrate your hair with a moisturizing deep conditioner or mask. I know for me, in the warmer months, I am shampooing and deep conditioning once a week because I'm in a heatless style. And in the cooler months, I am washing and deep conditioning my hair every other week because I am putting heat on my hair via blow dryer. Even after washing and deep conditioning your hair with a hydrating conditioner or mask, your hair is going to lose moisture throughout the day, throughout the week, and you will definitely need to replenish that. If you're in a heatless style, such as bantu, knots, braid outs, twist outs, whichever you choose, you can spray your hair with water. Water is ideal for moisture. I'm gonna say it again for the people in the back. Water is ideal for moisture. Some people add glycerin to their water. Why? Because glycerin is a humectant, and humectants absorb moisture from the air, thus keeping your hair hydrated throughout the day. I have definitely tried glycerin and my hair was like, no, I don't know what this is and I don't want it on me. So I stopped using it. So anyway, when you mist or spray your hair, make sure you get the ends of your hair. As we all know now, the ends are the oldest, most fragile and driest part of our hair, and we want to show the ends some TLC. And then after that, you can add your moisturizer and your oil of choice. So in my case, in the warmer months when I'm remoisturizing my hair, I will spritz my hair with water, moisturize it with It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Potion, and then I will go over it with the oil of my choice, which is coconut oil. If you follow my channel, you know my hair absolutely loves coconut oil, and I'm not going to take that out my regimen because my hair loves it. So why would I do that? I do not braid my hair back down when I'm doing my braid outs. I just put that in a pineapple at night and then put a bonnet over that. And my hair kind of holds the moisture. It depends on the weather, whether I would need to rehydrate the next day. So in the warmer months, I only have to remoisturize every day or every other day, depending on the weather. So just to recap really quickly, your protein treatment is done every 6 to 8 weeks as needed. And then moisturizing is done on a weekly or every other week basis with a moisturizing hydrating conditioner. And then also to reinforce that, on a daily basis, you're going to moisturize daily with the products of your choice. If your hair does not need to be moisturized daily, do not add moisture. It's only going to weigh your hair down. You don't need to weigh your hair down. If your hair is hydrated and it feels good, you don't need to add it. Wait till the next day. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope this has helped someone. Comment down below your protein and moisture balance routine. You never know who you could be helping. And until the next time, guys, be love.